this document right here, the application for the examination, okay, you will be filling out this whole packet. This packet is required to be filled out. All this good stuff. Keep on going down. You'll fill out the requirements for a salesperson right here. Do not do a broker. You're going to check off your 40 hours. There's no requirement for work experience unless you are brokers, unless you're applying for the brokers. If you are doing the outer state, then you would either do the equivalent program. Let's see. You're going to answer these questions. This goes over to the fees. Let's keep on going now. Now, this is part of the requirement as well. There's a CORI background check. And CORI is short for Criminal Offender Record Information. Go over this. It's basically making sure that all the checks and balances are on the back end. Make sure that you currently don't have any criminal background. Okay. Gets into all your information. I know it does delve deep, but that's what they're asking for. You will have to have this verified by a notary. Okay. This right here is the stamp that we're talking about. So once you complete the 40-hour class, right, this document we will print out and we will stamp here. So we'll put in your name, the name of our school, Miranda Group. The hours would be obviously 40 hours, the date, and we would put in our information. Okay? And we will put our stamp. You need this document. You will not be printing this out, and you cannot complete this packet without this certificate stamp, which we will provide to you once you've completed the required hour. And we'll mail that to you. This is what we were talking about. Now, once you get this document, you will add that to the rest of the document as your package to submit. Okay? You do not need to worry about the employing broker certificate. And you do not need to fill out the broker bond. You will need not just a notary, 3 references. That's what this section is. Now, it says here that classmates known to you only from the real estate course may not sign. So anybody that is taking this course together, unfortunately, they cannot be party to signing this on your behalf. And it is not supposed to be family. It could be a friend, an employer, or what have you, but it cannot be a family member, and it cannot be a fellow student of this class, unfortunately. So, notary is part of this. This form right here from our school is definitely required. The 3 references, and also the CORI background check. Now, all of this will be submitted prior to you being able to take the test. So you cannot just finish your 40 hours and go take the test, unfortunately. Once you've completed this package, and it can just be a regular printer with a regular paperwork, no card stock or something like that, nothing shiny, just good old-fashioned printer paper. And I would recommend it being laser because I have seen people use inkjets, and a little bit of water got on it, and the ink bled through the paperwork, and it wasn't accepted. I don't know how that happened, but it did. And PSI rejected it, and they said that the form was not complete. So, if you can, try to do laser printer, but inkjets are pretty good these days, so I don't think you'll have to worry too much. But I have had students ask about the paper type. I don't know why, but a good old-fashioned printer paper should suffice.